Hi guys, I am here again with another video from the Building the Dream Setup series. Today I would like to explain you a bit what my plans for my room and obviously this series are for the near future. As you can see, in the last video we installed the cable sleeve to hide all the cables behind my PC. But that was quite a while ago already. Just recently I decided to change up my desk setup completely. That's why I'm drawing this sketch to give you an idea what I want. So the idea is simple. I need more room, more light, just a bigger space in general. And the wall between my desk and my bed is not in use at all for anything. So why not mount a desk in front of it, dedicated for learning, schoolwork and drawing. Since for all of this I'm going to need a good lighting, that means that I will try my best to get a lamp good for unboxing and showcase works too. For the longest time ever, I have in my head a series with my scale model cars, but I again need to have a great lighting. I apologize for how the drawing video quality is not quite up there yet, but I tried recording on my S8 and I forgot to clean the lens for some stupid reason and I'm sorry for that. Anyway, desk is not everything, and of course I will need some drawers to hold the top. Well, keep in mind, I can still mount the desk against both of my walls. I'm just not a huge fan of that for one single reason, and that would be storage. So now there is another question. Do I keep the design I have now with the same color, legs and everything exactly like this? Or do I go for black drawers to complement the black computer, peripherals and lastly black side of my wardrobe? I don't know, but I have to make up my mind quickly. What do you think? Honestly, I'm not really sure, and to be fair, I can't decide. That is why I made this quick rendering of my room in one of free online editors on the internet and tried out the version with colored storage units and then blacked them out. I think I might prefer the look of the brown ones, mainly because how it complements the new bed I'm also having made. It seems like an unnecessary thing to do because my bed is fine, honestly, but the thing is that it's too short for me and I need to have a longer one made. There you can also finally see how the lamp from new part of the desk will be able to shine at the bed at night, which is really convenient for reading books or learning in the bed. So that's definitely staying there. Now there is a few more things to talk about. First off is, do I want to have the LED backlighting from the desk? Or do I want to have the desk touching to the wall? Honestly, I thought for a while that I would ditch the LEDs, since I don't use them too often anymore, and I bought a new set which I am planning to put behind my monitors in future episode, so stay tuned for that. But when I thought about it for the second time, I think I will still leave the main desk a bit from the wall and add the LEDs there, but for the new part I will just get it as close to the wall as it gets to get more depth for the desk itself. Then another question is, do I drill a hole in the desk for the keyboard cable to accomplish the clean look that many setup masters are going for? Unfortunately for you, I have decided not to do that because it destroys the desk for the future use. Instead, I think I will go wireless on my next keyboard purchase, which is another way to take. Lastly, coming from what I've shown you in the last episode, I need to come up with some cable management racks and raceways to tidy up the cables underneath my new desk. I will make sure to have it even cleaner than what I have now, which will be pretty demanding. Sadly, that's it what I have to say today. So with that, I hope you enjoyed and I will hope you are hyped on what's coming, because there is many things, many interesting things to watch, hopefully coming soon. With that, Thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.